Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 SL550 Edition 1. This one is a Designo Crystal Silver. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 twin-turbo V8 with 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Edition 1 badging on the side. A Designo red leather interior with a Designo black piano lacquer trim. SL550 badging. Power liftgate. Retractable hardtop. Clean set of all-season floor mats. The Edition 1 package, you get the active blind spot assist, active lane assist, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, multi-contour seats, a push-start ignition, Parktronic with parking assist, surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our button for the retractable roof, sports and comfort mode. This SL has 46,685 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL550 Edition 1, visit us at feldmanimports.com.